Tired of scrolling through endless emails in Gmail? Learn how to fit more emails on screen in under 2 minutes. First, we'll adjust display density in Quick Settings. Then, I'll show you a keyboard shortcut for instant zoom control. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Click the gear icon at the top right to open Settings. Under Quick Settings, locate the Display Density section. You'll see 3 options: Default, Comfortable, and Compact. Click on Comfortable for more spacing between your emails. Or click on Compact to fit more emails on the screen. Alternatively, you can change the page zoom by pressing Ctrl+ to zoom in or Ctrl- to zoom out. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.